Okay, let's try. Let's see what else we got. Ooh. Oops, what do you think of that? No?
No. Not even interested in a fire truck.
What about that? Yeah? What about this? We always call you a little Hulk. Like this Hulk? Blue and yellow.
That went in.
Yeah.
That was a keeper.
You like these? Blocks? Yeah? Okay. Another keeper. What about this guy? Benji. Benji, what do you think of this? You don't like that? All right. Oh, really? Okay, I haven't seen that yet.
I know what you're talking about.
Oh.
I know what you're talking about. You can't wait to get the screwdrivers. I get it.
This guy?
Mommy, I'm not a baby anymore. I want screwdrivers.
Should we go check for screwdrivers? All right. Can you?
It should be obvious.
Just for 1 second. I'm gonna pull one out here just in case.
Oh yeah. She's getting one ready for.
Shh, yeah, we don't tell him.
Oh, okay.
That way he thinks he's coming back.
Right.
Assuming. I know. I just have to find something in my purse real quick. I know, I'm trying. Oh, there we go. I'm going to surreptitiously hand it to Uncle Shawn. There you go.
Okay.
All right.